Assalamu alaikum. Class 5th, subject EVS, topic the earth, subtopic page number 104, eclipse. Subtopic eclipse. You know that earth moves around the sun and moon revolves around the earth. So due to this revolving, their positions keep on changing. This leads to the formation of eclipses. An eclipse is nothing but it is the partial or complete hiding of one heavenly body by another, by its shadow. There are two types of eclipses: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse. The moon usually does not come between the earth and the sun. When it does, the moon blocks some sunlight from the earth and a solar eclipse takes place. Lunar eclipse. As the moon revolves around the earth usually does not come between the sun and the moon. The moon passes through the earth's shadow, which causes a lunar eclipse. आज का सबक खत्म हुआ, इससे आगे आइंदा पढ़ेंगे.